Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So guys, today's video is very interesting again because I am going to मैंने already video डाल दिया है मेरे YouTube channel पे. I am going to show you my studio things today. Like कहाँ से मैंने खरीदा है, कितने में मुझे पड़ा है, like overall review about my studio because I made it out of scratch. Literally I'm saying I made it out of scratch. इसमें कुछ huge investment नहीं की है मैंने. It's just very cheap things I got. Also, if you're looking for a budget-friendly studio to make, you're at the right place and you're watching my video. And thank you for that because मैंने सच में मतलब जब से मुझे दिमाग में आया है that I want to make studio, मैंने हमेशा सोचा है कि I want to make it वो बोलता है ना बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग और मे बी टूवर्ड्स दी चीपर साइड. मतलब मुझे ज़्यादा स्पेंड नहीं करना था. ऑफ कोर्स वट एवर आई एम अर्निंग मैंने बहुत मिनिमल मेरा बजट निकाला है एंड आई इन्वेस्टेड ऑन दिस स्टूडियो. सो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू let's just get started and I'm gonna tell you each and everything which from where I got and how much I got it for. So yeah, just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. So hey guys, welcome. It's time to show you my studio very closely. I know आपने पहले देखा है ये मेरा studio like video मैंने already डाल दिया है. I was waiting कि मैं ये इसका बहुत बड़ा ऐसे grand premiere sort of बनाऊंगी but I thought let's just leave it. मतलब मैंने इतना भी कुछ भारी सा नहीं किया है इसमें. I've just done few minimal things and ये जो पीछे बहुत बड़ा Miss Marilyn Monroe my idol इनका जो पिक्चर लगा है मैं इनकी भी स्टोरी बताऊंगी एंड देर इज़ अनदर वन ओवर देयर इन दैट रूम. सो आई एम गोना टेल यू द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दैट एज वेल. सो या नाउ आई एम गोना प्रेजेंट यू माई लवली स्टूडियो. लिटिल मेसी बट प्लीज बेयर विद मी. Ta-da! So this is my studio you guys just see. It's just एक रूम का आधा हिस्सा है and this is how it looks from this angle. And this is how it looks from this angle. Ooh la la. So yeah, let's just get started one by one. Okay, सबसे पहले ring lights. I got this ring lights and this stand from Amazon. Again, this stand also came with the same ring light, this stand as well. And ये एक stand मैंने recently खरीदा है because I didn't have a good stand to be very honest. So ये सारा Amazon है. These three things I'm gonna put the link. Now comes this beautiful table which you see. दूर से ऐसे लगता है कि it's a marble table but it is not you guys. ये ना कैसे बताओ, you can see this. ये actually bed है. You can see this two mattresses. Okay, ये बेड का जो प्लाईवुड था वो ऐसे ही पड़ा था एंड आई थॉट मुझे ऐसे टेबल लेना चाहिए something like this table but then I didn't have that much budget because ये जो टेबल होते हैं they come very expensive. मतलब ये जो मैंने खरीदा कबर्ड, this small cupboard, this costed me alone, यही मेरा सबसे महंगा था. 3,500 मुझे कुछ गिरा. So just imagine वो बड़ा टेबल कितना expensive गिरता मुझे. So I thought I will turn this plywood into a nice table. So what I did, I got this what do I say, ये wallpaper. I am not sure ये wallpaper कहाँ रखा है मैंने but let me just check if I can find it here. मिल गया, ये यहाँ पे पड़ा है कॉर्नर में. Just give me a moment. So yeah, you see this wallpaper. I got this wallpaper from Meesho and what I did, मैंने इसके ऊपर डाला और एक प्लास्टिक wrap आता है उससे मैंने ये सारा कवर कर लिया. सो या और ये मुझे हार्डली कुछ 150 रुपीज़ में पड़ा होगा. सो यू सी दिस प्लास्टिक. सो ये मैंने पहले वॉलपेपर चिपकाया एंड उसको फिक्स करने के लिए, अच्छा रखने के लिए आई टाइड दैट प्लास्टिक अराउंड इट एंड या दैट वाज इट. दिस इज माय ब्यूटिफुल टेबल यू विल सी and this looks very premium and very ज़्यादा I'm saying very chic and very gorgeous. I just loved it and ये पूरा मैंने 3 sheets खरीदे थे. So it costed me around 150, 300 plus 150, 450, total 450 but I was just done with 2 sheets of wallpaper. So yeah, So ये कुछ मैंने मीशो से खरीदा है एंड आई एम गोना लिंक दैट लिंक दिस वॉलपेपर्स code in my description box, so you can go ahead and buy it. And now let's move on to the frames right here. Okay, so ye frame and this frame, I got this frame from Mr. DIY. Now मैंने DIY पे भी Mr. DIY पे भी एक वीडियो बनाया है जहाँ से मैंने सारी चीज़ें खरीदी थी. So I will mention it here or here somewhere, so do check that out. Again, DIY is a very affordable local brand from where you can get all kinds of things, right from plumbing, accessories, everything, kitchen, entire, like it's like a complete package. So these 3 frames I got from there, and इसमें जो picture लगा है, this picture I got it प्रिंटेड, मतलब वो जो स्टोरी मैंने बताया था. सो आई गेव एन ऑर्डर, लोकल जो स्टेशनरी वाला होता है ना, उनके यहाँ पे मैंने ऑर्डर दिया. आई टोल्ड देम मुझे ये डायमेंशंस में ये फोटो चाहिए मैट प्रिंट में. नाउ यू सी हियर, दिस इज लिटिल it's not on a glossy paper but it's matte finish print out. तो मैंने उनको दिया और इसका डिमेंशन कुछ 58 सेंटीमीटर था या इंचेस था, आई एम नॉट श्योर. उन्होंने आई थिंक इंचेस का या सेंटीमीटर था. सो इट वाज लाइक 58 into 38 सेंटीमीटर्स और उन्होंने इंचेस कर दिया एंड दैट्स हाउ इट केम दिस बिग. सो उन्होंने इंचेस किया और ये लिटरली मेरे हाइट जितना बड़ा उन्होंने किया. एंड अगेन इट्स द सेम मटेरियल, इट्स मैट फिनिश. एंड फिर उनको वापस करना पड़ा वो सब चीज़. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टू I have 4 pictures of Miss Merlin in my house. सेम 2 पिक्चर्स है, दोनों के एक बड़ा है और एक छोटा है. सो दैट वाज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दिस एंड इट वाज सो फनी. आई वाज लाइक सो लाफिंग एंड मतलब मैंने उनको बोला, यार भैया आपको क्या बोला था, मैंने आपको सही से करना था एंड आपने ये क्या कर दिया. सो या, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू दिस वन. ये वी गॉट दिस फॉर 300 अगेन 300. सो ये टोटल मुझे 900 में गिरा है. एंड दिस स्टफ, दिस थिंग्स यू सी लाइक काइंड ऑफ women and men, I think dancing, I got this from Meesho again. And I got this ये wooden का है basically, and I got this around 200 rupees. I'm gonna link the code in my description below so you can go ahead and buy it. Now third thing, other thing is this my brand name, जो मेरा small business है Vesh Riti. I have my own small business, scrunchie business, and I'll make little bit of accessories which I'm gonna do very very soon. So I'm gonna link my Vesh Riti page as well, so you guys go check it out. And that's the logo. I got it made from one of the exhibitions I had been to, and ये कुछ मुझे 500 or 600 तब भी गिरा था. So this all things, मतलब ये मैंने बहुत पहले दे रखा था. Like I bought this last year. Even this I had got like around 7-8 months ago. So nothing was like kind of planned. मुझे like I'm a dust catcher basically. मुझे ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बहुत पसंद है and that's how I ended up into this. So yeah, and other thing is this one. I really like this frame. I had got this on my birthday from my very good friend, and they gave me this nice dream catcher wala frame, and it says dream on, and it's actually very true. My dreams are so many dreams and so big dreams, and they are on the toggle is on the on switch forever. It's not gonna change, and I am trying my best to complete those dreams. So yeah, this frame gives out that positive vibe to me. That's why I thought मैं ये लगा देती हूँ, so that I will look at it and I will feel very very motivated to achieve those dreams. So now the other thing which we have is this nice what do we call this? I just don't know, like a corner, some corner piece or something like that. I got this from Meesho again. Also this from Meesho. It was a complete deal. Like अलग चीजें हैं. I think I got this around 400-300. I'm just gonna link the screenshot लगा दूंगी और link भी रख दूंगी. And this also same from there only. Meesho से ही खरीदा है. I'm not sure of the price, but I will just put it. But everything is under 500 for sure. And I got this 2 छोटा सा fake planters. ये कुछ POP का है मटेरियल, and I got this for like 70 or 80 rupees each.
So this gives that nice corner for me जो बहुत chic लगता है and बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So yeah, this is that one part and I really like this corner. Like मैं ना पहले सोच रही थी यहाँ पे लगाऊंगी, but then I thought एक corner पे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा ये, so मैंने वहाँ पे place कर दिया and they look very beautiful and they just go with that vibe, वो color coordination बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है. So yeah, it's really nice. And the next thing I have is my sewing machine. Yay! आपको मैंने बोला था my scrunchie, मेरा small business जो कि बहुत अच्छा चल रहा था few months ago, but then I stopped making it because of my other commitments and now I'm gonna get back on this very very soon. मैं एक detailed video बनाने वाली हूँ. I got this table especially for this sewing machine because I'm gonna keep all my fabric and जो सारी चीज़ें scrunchie बनाने में लगती है I'm gonna utilize this drawer. फिलहाल तो इसमें मैंने सब ऐसे ना miscellaneous things रखे हैं which are not set yet. तो yeah, once they are done I'm gonna just do it everything nicely and set it up, and I'm actually gonna get back to my scrunchie business because it's very near dear to me and I had started it with a vision and so मेरे को continue करना है, but थोड़ा टाइम निकाल के, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यार, so नहीं मिलता इतना टाइम, but yeah, I'm gonna make sure I'll do it. Now let's just move on to my few of the last things left which are from Ikea. Two things are from Ikea. This is one of them, this flower, ये vase and this mirror. Hello. So ये mirror मैंने IKEA से खरीदा था. Again मुझे याद नहीं मैं कब गई थी IKEA, तब मैंने I had got it from there. ये मैं यहाँ पे रखती हूँ because sometimes when I am shooting I just want to give that touch up and stuff like that. So ये यहाँ पे मैंने रखा है and this thing goes well with that vibe, overall vibe. So यहाँ पे मैंने vase रखा है and I need to add few flowers in that. And the second last thing is this nice donut, I don't know, I think donut vase बोलते हैं. Like मैंने जब search किया था तब मैंने donut vase ही डाला था because I didn't know what it is called. But I got this from Amazon for around 200 rupees. Again, it's very cheap and very affordable. And this is again a POP, I think POP material used here. And ये flower ना मैंने इटली में गई थी ना मैं अभी, वहाँ से मैंने उठाया था. आई जस्ट सॉ दिस थिंग एंड आई थॉट ये ड्राई होने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ऑन दैट माई वेज ऑन माई वेज. सो आई थॉट I just grabbed it, I rolled it in my jean. Like मैं निकलने के पहले, वहाँ से निकलने के पहले ही मैंने डाला था वहाँ पे. So yeah, that was really nice and it looks actually very very nice on this. And ये flower it came with this set. So ये IKEA का मैंने डाल दिया because it's white, it goes very very nice with that. And the last thing I have is this nice statue. मुझे पता नहीं क्या है इसका नाम, मैं भूल गई हूँ, but I got this from Italy and I have another one of that pair right there. I will just show it to you. So this thing I got in orange and that one is white because मुझे white, मेरे एक vision था मेरे दिमाग में that I want a studio which has white, which has kind of black marble stuff. इसलिए I was so lucky to find this table and this wallpaper because it's just दूर से देखा तो ना same ही लगता है. And this black and white, so I like how I played with the colors and stuff. And for me, I still need to, like, there are a few things that mask I need to put it here and all of those things. So yeah, I feel I did a very nice job with my studio and I really hope that you guys liked it. I'm gonna mention all the links and everything in the description box, so you guys can go check it out. And of course Meesho पे, like, if you put that code आपको similar चीज़ें दिखती है same type के, so you guys can explore and check it out how it is and what, like, how it looks on your ये ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको स्टूडियो के लिए चाहिए. You can decorate using these things for your home, for your room or anything else. So yeah, that was it for my studio. I really like the vibe, like, I mean, just see it from each and every angle. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. There is so much variety and it kinds of depicting my story. Like, I love Merlin for her beauty, for her kindness, and I don't know, I never knew her personally or anything, but I feel that she was a very kind person, very beautiful, way too beautiful. I mean, she was just amazing. And yeah, that's it from my side for her. And again, this frame, do what you love. I have always done whatever I have loved ever since I am on this planet, and dream on my business, and just amazing. A big thumbs up from my side for my studio, and just so proud of myself to, you know, thought and I made this, and whatever vision I had, I made it into reality. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video or slash vlog or slash review video of my studio, home studio, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my previous video as well. And thank you so much for showing so much love and support to me all the time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe it, share it with your friends and family, and please do give this video a big thumbs up, and I would really appreciate and love it. With this, I'm gonna end this vlog right here and see you guys soon. Bye bye.